Now we are in question number 17, and off please.
Factor the perfect square trinomial. 64y squared minus 32y plus 4.
Now I will not solve this question. I will find out the answer without do factoring. Mahmoud, can you tell me what is the hint, the first hint for you can help you to find out the answer?
In the question, it's written that it's a perfect square, and
mhm.
perfect squares have the same sign.
He means by that have the same sign, both of them negative or positive. But here, actually, it is a negative. So any different sign here between the answers, okay, and has different sign, it eliminated. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready, Nawaf?
Yes.
Okay.
So 64y squared
Okay.
comes from 8y.
So
it will so you'll see the first term. Is it 8y? Yes.
So
We'll eliminate d.
So I will eliminate d because of that. It must start with 8y, yes?
Yes.
Why? Because the square root of 64y square come from 8y. And now, what about the last term? Can you tell me?
The last term is 4. Okay, and in b, the square root is 8. It's true, but in 4, it's not true because 4 multiplied 4 equals 16, and we need in C4. So A is an answer and B is not.
So A the answer, and Auf try to say that the square root of 4 is?
Square root of 4 is 2.
Is 2. So I'm looking for 2. Where is the 2? It is here, so the answer is A. Now we are going to 18. Muhammad, can you read it, please?
Okay, question 18. Factor the expression 16x squared minus 9. So this question is pretty simple. So here, 16x squared. 16 is say a perfect square of 4 and 4.
It is a perfect square of 4 and 4. But this a special case, yes?
Yes.
And what we call it? It has a name. Where are you go?
Perfect.
The difference between two squares.
It is different between?
Two squares.
Great, Mahmoud. It is how do you know?
Because they're both perfect squares and they have a negative sign.
Yes. And two
Binomials.
terms. Yes, binomials. Thank you. So how do you know that? Because I have two squares, yes, and between them minus.
Yes.
Yes, and it is easy. And if it is a different between two squares, what we will have? What the sign we will
Different
have?
signs.
Different sign. Yes, Yaouf?
Yes.
So one of them positive and one of them
Negative.
negative, or one of them
negative,
negative.
or one of them.
So it doesn't matter. Yes.
Yes.
So for the scary boys,
No, it doesn't.
okay, okay. Don't worry about order signs. Okay. Now, Nawaf, can you tell me the square root of the 16x squared?
Square root of 16, 4x, 4x,
Yes.
and the
it's
other
4.
side 4x.
And here you mean yes?
Yes.
And the second term,
3.
here we have 3, and here we have 3, and we're done. Easy, yes?
Yes.
Okay, now we are in 19. Yes, Auf?
How can we write radical 5 radical n for n power root 4 using rational exponents?
So what is the rule here? Who can tell me the rule? Yes, Muhammad? You know the rule, or I can tell you the rule? Yes, Auf.
The rule, Mister, we will take 5 and put it numerator, and 4 will be denominator.
You mean 5 over 4?
Yes.
Outside over inside?
Yes.
Who agree?
Me.
No.
Who disagree?
It's 4 over 5.
Yes, it is 4 over 5. So all of time, if I have like this, my dear student, if I have like this, all of time,
Inside over outside.
thank you, this is the rule, inside over outside. Here you can make any mistakes, but in the test, you cannot. Okay, so it will be n, and he said, and this guy, Mahmoud, said inside over
Outside.
outside. So
And
4 over 5 in easy way. We done. Where is the answer?
A.
A. Okay, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Yes.
So far, so good. Okay, now we move to number 20. Let us do it in the next video, or continue.
Continue.
Continue off?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have this Yes, read, Muhammad.
Okay, so question 20. Find the solution of 10 to the power of x over 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of x over 8 equals 10 power 10.
Great. Now, here actually we have this exponential equation, and actually I have the same base. Yes. So if I have the same base, it should be what, Mahmoud, again?
Happy.
Should be happy. Why?
Because
they
I
are
can
the same
drop the
base.
power.
Yes, I can drop.
The power.
Yes, we can drop the power. Okay, let us drop the power. The power is x over 6 plus x over 8 equal 10. From where I get this amount, my dear student, it is the power here. X over 6 plus x over 8 equal 10. And if you ask me why we add, because the power, if you multiply,
Multiplication turns into addition and division turns into subtraction.
thank you, Muhammad. Now, you remember my way here. I have unified the fractions and make addition, but I like to learn my student to do this. Multiply by 6 in the first place. Who can multiply it for me? Nawaf.
So
The first term will be what?
6, just 6x,
6x or x?
x,
X
right.
plus
Plus 6x
over
over
8
8.
equal 60. Yes. So I eliminate this guy, you see, in one step. Now, can you tell me how we can eliminate the 8 off?
Yes. Now the second step, you will take the denominator 8.
So I will
and
multiply by 8.
all sides. Okay.
So
So 8x
8x,
plus here eliminate, so only 6x
good.
equal 60 multiply 80.
480.
Yes, that's
Now the life is easy now. I can combine this. It will be 14x equal 480, and the last step, as you know, multiply by 14 and sorry, I said multiply by
Yes.
mistake. I swear. Okay, divide by 14. Thank you, Mahmoud. So the x now alone and happy, as you see, and this is the value of x. It is large, and you can simplify it. Yes, I will not simplify it. I will let that for you. Okay. Now we move to the last question here, and we are happy because we are in the last question.
happy and having one teeth.
Okay, you see, we was happy. Now you see the life. Sometimes you are happy and sometimes
Sad.
you are sad. Okay, now yes, Muhammad, please.
Okay, question 21. What is the solution of 9 to the power of x minus 8 equals 3 to the power of 4x minus 12?
Okay, now are you happy or sad? You know what?
Sad,
Why?
because the base is not the same.
So you have to draw this face, and you are sad, not scared, sad, and
Sad.
this is your teeth.
So now
Okay, now what you have to do?
we have to look for the same denominator.
Yes, we have to look to the 9 and
Yeah.
make it like the 3. So Muhammad,
Okay, so
the 9 will be what?
9 will be 3
With power?
with power 3x minus 8.
Calm down, Muhammad. 9 come from,
9 comes from 3 multiplied by 3.
so how many times?
2 times.
So 3 with power 2, the 9 will be yes,
Yes,
and this is x negative
8.
8 equal 3
4x minus 12.
minus 12. Now the question for Nawaf, because I interrupt him. So Nawaf, what we have to
Now
do?
we will drop. We are happy now because the base is the same.
Before we be happy, Nawaf, we have to do one step more. Yes,
Yes.
can you tell me what is it?
It will be we will multiply 2 with the form and the house.
Yes.
Which is x negative 8.
Yes, thank you. So it will be 3 with power 3 or 2x, yes?
2.
2x negative
negative
16, and the other side stay as it is.
It is
Now my question for Auf. Are you happy now? See?
Yes, I'm happy
Why you are happy now?
because base is still the same, and also
We can what?
there's power,
We
and
can
you can
dr-
drop the powers.
Yes, so let me draw your face because you are happy.
And having one teeth.
And this, you are happy now?
Yeah.
Good. Now we can drop
the powers.
2x negative 16 equal 4x negative 12. And my question for Mahmoud, we didn't ask you before. No. Yes, what we have to do?
We'll make the x on one side
Yes.
and
The numbers in the other side.
other side.
So, yes, combine the terms.
Combine the like terms.
Mister, no, we'll combine the same terms. So we will take 2x to the other side.
So it will be negative 2x.
Yes. And we will take
And let me
negative
erase
12.
this.
And we will take negative 12 to the other side, so it will be positive.
Let me take this. No, it is not like this. It will be like this. And it will be positive,
Positive,
yes? So,
Now,
4x and negative 2x.
2x
And
equal
here,
Negative 4.
negative 4. Now the last step.
We'll send the x.
Divide-
We'll
divide
send the
by
2.
two.
We'll divide by 2 and we'll divide by 2.
So x equal what?
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
X equal negative 2. Can we find the answer here? Yes, it is D. Thank you, boys. And I much appreciated your work and your efforts. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.